I've got 15 phrasal verbs, and if you know all of them, your English is amazing. Now here's how this is going to work. I'll put each phrase at the top of the screen, and then give you 3 options. Your job is to pick the best definition. We'll start with some easier phrases, and then work our way up. Ready to get started? Here's our first phrase, to find out. And does this mean to lose something, to ignore something, or to learn something? To find out means to learn or discover new information. I found out that my favorite restaurant is closing next month. Phrase number 2, to show up. And does this mean to perform in a play, to arrive at a place, or to wake up from sleep? To show up means to arrive or to appear somewhere. Jack showed up 15 minutes late to the party. Phrase number 3, to deal with. And does this mean to celebrate an event, to avoid a problem, or to manage a situation? To deal with something means to manage it or to handle it. Amanda has to deal with a lot of stress at her job. Phrase number 4, to run out of. And does this mean to use all of something, to exercise a lot, or to help someone? If you run out of something, you've used all of it and there's nothing left. Janet ran out of time and couldn't finish the exam. Phrase number 5, to take after. And does this mean to forget something, to become friends with someone, or to look like a family member? To take after a family member means to resemble them, either the way they look or the way they act. Paul takes after his father. They both have green eyes and blonde hair. Okay, you finished the first 5 questions. Did you get them all right? If so, excellent work. Now let's try some tougher phrases. Ready? Here we go with phrase number 6, to get away with. And does this mean to lose focus, to avoid getting caught, or to travel with another person? To get away with something means to avoid being caught or punished for it. Alex tried to cheat on the test, but he didn't get away with it. Phrase number 7, to take over. And does this mean to start controlling something, to start destroying something, or to start hiding something? To take something over means to assume control or responsibility for it. When the CEO retired, his daughter took over the company. Phrase number 8, to track down. And does this mean to run away from danger, to find something after a careful search, or to trip and fall to the ground? To track someone or something down is to find them after a careful search. Police are working hard to track down the suspect. Phrase number 9, to give in. And does this mean to donate money, to add effort, or to stop resisting? To give in means to stop resisting and accept someone else's demands. The kids kept begging for ice cream, and eventually their dad gave in. Phrase number 10, to zero in on. And does this mean to focus attention on something, to fail at a difficult task, or to make something smaller? To zero in on something means to focus your attention on it. Scientists have zeroed in on the source of the virus. Excellent work! You've answered the first 10 questions. Okay, are you ready for some really tough phrasal verbs? Let's do it. Here's number 11, to bank on. And does this mean to depend on someone or something, to make a risky investment, or to withdraw money from an account? To bank on something means to depend or to rely on it. The wedding will be held outdoors, so they're banking on having good weather. Phrase number 12, to play up. And does this mean to imitate someone, to emphasize something, or to be late for an appointment? To play something up is to emphasize or even exaggerate it. Paul played up his work experience during the job interview to impress the hiring manager. Phrase number 13, to root out. And does this mean to prevent information from becoming public, to find and remove something, or to expand the scope of a project? To root something out is to find something bad and get rid of it. The government launched a campaign to root out widespread corruption. Phrase number 14, to gloss over. And does this mean to avoid discussing something in detail, to clean something thoroughly, or to reveal damaging information? To gloss over something is to purposefully avoid discussing it in detail. Eric glossed over his mistake by changing the subject. And finally, phrase number 15, to pan out. And does this mean to go off course, to develop over time, or to tell a lie? How something pans out is how it develops or succeeds over time. Mary's coffee business panned out well, and now she's a millionaire. Did you know all 15 phrasal verbs? Phenomenal work! I hope you'll leave a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more English learning content, and I'll see you soon.